You're welcome to live a light on the hard way. Slavery has been something of the past that's been happening, but also is the modern slavery. The modern slaves are not in chains or handcuffs, but they are in debt. If we plan to take financial pursuits and struggle, we need to remember that debts are the method of modern slavery. That's why most low-developed countries, that's African countries, Asian countries, and South American countries, are still living miserable lives because their government only survive on a greater percent on debt. And also, the citizens end up also surviving on debt. So you work to pay debt almost all your life. That's why there is little to consume. That's why the dollar rate strikes us.